St. John's School, being a futuristic school, leaves no stone unturned in embracing the new trends, the changing trends in the education system, be it in the field of innovation or teaching learning pedagogies or the mental well-being of our students. Innovation being one of the most important priorities and the need of the hour, we have taken an initiative in this academic session that we started with our robotic classes in association with RoboSpecies. And I must admit that RoboSpecies has provided us services not merely as a vendor. They have worked with us, or they are working with us as a staunch supporter of building innovative culture within the school campus. Their kits, their labs, their training modules or the training programs are well curated in such a manner that it encourages students to think beyond classrooms, beyond textbooks, and definitely it has inculcated in them the skill of collaboration, critical thinking, problem solving, etc. I must say that the trainer whom they have provided, she is doing a fantastic job. And the school has become future ready by the introduction of this robotic classes. Our students have become more curious. They have got transformed from mere learners to innovators. And they have started representing the school in the school competitions, in robotic related competitions also. I believe this will continue and we expect a long association with RoboSpecies.
As a STEAM trainer and innovation engineer, I have seen how this robotics lab has truly transformed our students. Working with hands-on projects has boosted their logical thinking by encouraging them to analyze problems step by step. At the same time, it has strengthened their design thinking skills as they now brainstorm, prototype, and improve their ideas creatively. I can clearly see more confidence, teamwork, and curiosity in them, which is exactly the impact we wanted from this lab. Thank you so much.
Hi, myself Kamalpreet Kaur, science teacher in St. John's School. Recently, we have opened the robotic classes for our students, and it is really amazing to see the students working here. They are so curious about to learn the robotics, the new technology, and even as a science teacher, I am also curious to learn all these things.
Good morning everyone, I'm a St. Johnian and today I'm going to tell you about this amazing project. This is a robot that follows lines. This is a line follower robot. This is the brain and these are the IR sensors. These IR sensors detect the light. If it's black, it absorbs it. And if it's light, it gets the signal to move. This is the brain. This is the Arduino and the microcontroller. Since the microcontroller can't be directly connected to the motors, we need a motor shield. The motor shield gets connected to the Arduino and then to the motors. And then this is how this follows the line. Thank you. And recently we have learned a new topic, an amazing one in robotics. We have learned the traffic light system of hardware and coding using Arduino Uno. This board allows us to build demonstrating how traffic lights work. We have done the coding, everything. We have learned a lot.
Thanking RoboSpecies company to create such a vibrant atmosphere of innovation within our school campus. Thank you.